कैसी होनी चाहिए मेरा जीवन, हाउ शुड माई लाइफ बी सो दैट आई कैन ऑल्सो ऑलवेज बी इन दैट जोन. But the question arises how to manage it. Who could be the greatest example? I have two great examples, both from Ramayana. The greatest of the example would be Shabari, because she has given that value to Ram so much that every part of her life has become Ram. When Sabri was doing something, she was also living in the life or not? संसार में थी या नहीं थी? थी. And she also went and she also took the fruits, na? Berry that she was bringing. What was she thinking while collecting the berries? She was thinking about Ram. She said, if I have to give, I am not giving this fruit to anybody else but Ram. So I should give the best fruit to Ram. Even in her tasting, she was thinking about Ram. Sabri ne khaya, phir bhi Ram ne khaya. It's about the purity, intention. Shabri, while collecting the berries, she was thinking about Ram, that I want to give the best fruit to Ram. When she was sweeping the floor, for whom was she sweeping the floor? किसके लिए झाड़ू लगा रही थी बताओ? कौन आएगा? किसके लिए झाड़ू लगा रही थी? For whom she was cleaning the house? Even while cleaning the house, she was cleaning that Ram is coming, so let me clean the house. She goes into the forest to collect the flowers. For whom was she collecting the flowers? मेरे राम के लिए फूल लेने जा रही हूँ. For my Ram. When she cooked, for whom she was cooking? मेरे राम के लिए बना रही हूँ. Did you see all that she was doing was only for one person? For whom do you do? The day you do all that things in the same way, what will happen to you? राम को आना ही पड़ेगा. चाहे उसे वनवास जाना क्यों ना पड़े, लेकिन उसको आना ही पड़ेगा. चाहे उसे अवतार लेना पड़े, उसे आना ही पड़ेगा. जिस दिन आप अपना भाव वैसा कर लेते हो, the day you start living with every single thing that I do is everything for that divine being, उसे आना ही पड़ेगा. That's the first quality. The second quality, अहल्या. What's the name? अहल्या. उसका नाम अहल्या आपके लिए होगा, मेरे लिए उसका नाम अहिल्या है. अहिल्या, जो हिलती डुलती नहीं है. And people say that she was cursed and she became like a stone, right? But for my understanding, she has become so strong, so dedicated that whatever the people have talked about me, I am truth to my own self. मैं अपने से सही हूं. I have not done anything wrong. But if that has happened to this, now I just sit down here with a strong determination. I will not going to move anywhere. I just sit here like a rock, and you have to come to take me away from this place. दृढ़ विश्वास, दृढ़ निष्ठा कि आज के बाद मैं यहीं बैठ गई हूं, जब तक तू नहीं आता तब तक मैं नहीं जाऊंगी. I won't go until you arrive. और जिस दिन आप अहिल्या की तरह बैठ गए, उस दिन भी उसको आना पड़ेगा. He has to come. But हम हिलते डुलते भी रहते हैं, आज यहाँ कल वहां. Can you see that wavering off? But still, it's not difficult. So my dear friends, if you are realizing your truth, your potential, what you could be, what you are, stop wavering. And if you are wavering, do the work like Shabari. And if you are not wavering, do it like Ahilya. Unwavering faith. होना ही है.